Hi, this is Hannah Yansens from ABA 634, and right now we are looking at my Precision X graph for the acquisition decks 1, 2, and 3 for this course. Starting off on the left-hand side, we have deck 1, and looking at the top of the graph, we can see that there are solid dots right here indicating the A cell data. And for the A cell data for deck 1, we can see there is an upward trend across the first 2 weeks with high levels and no variability. And then looking at the bottom of the graph right here, we can see that there is a decrease in D cell data or downward trend with low levels and no variability. And then moving on to the middle of the graph right here for deck 2, we can see again for the A cell data, there is an upward trend with high levels and no variability across weeks 3, 4, and 5. And then this gap in the middle right here between weeks 4 and 5, there was spring break, so that's why the gap is there. And then moving down for deck 2's D cell data, we can see that there is a downward trend with no levels and I'm sorry, not no levels, downward trend with low levels and no variability. And then moving on to the right-hand side of the graph, we can see deck 3's A cell scores for week 6 and 7. And then these scores show an upward trend with an upward trend with high levels and no variability. And then moving down at the bottom for deck 3's D cell data, we can again see that there's a downward trend with low levels and no variability. So after this brief analysis of the acquisition A cell and D cell data across the 3 decks, the study plan that I have in place has been proven effective thus far, and I haven't made any adjustments because of the efficacy behind my study plan. And my studying plan includes spending 30 minutes to study the week's acquisition decks using the CentralReach's study mode option, and then flashcards as well. And then the same study method goes for the fluency data, studying for 15 minutes instead, using the CR study mode, and then flashcards.